Biomedical engineering in general as a discipline is inherently multidisciplinary. We use skills from engineering, we use skills from medicine, from science, etc. And so sometimes people come onto biomedical engineering later in their career. And the Master of Engineering in Biomedical Engineering enables you to, I suppose, refocus and provides you an opportunity to enter the exciting field of biomedical engineering.
I'm very interested in both engineering and medicine, so I want to use engineering in innovative new technology to solve many clinical, medical, difficult problems.
I chose the program because it had a thesis component and an industrial training requirement component. I think doing a thesis helps develop your skills as an engineer, and industrial training solidifies those skills in the workplace, which is vital for any engineer.
In addition, the Master of Engineering is provisionally accredited by Engineers Australia, so if you perhaps have come to Australia without an accredited degree, this is the pathway for you to reach accreditation.
I chose UNSW mainly because of its reputation and its well-renowned biomedical engineering department.
The Graduate School of Biomedical Engineering actually offered a perfect platform for me to specialize in my evolving research interest and align my engineering background into biomedical research.
You know, the UNSW is one of the best universities in Australia, specifically for the engineering major.
It's emphasized in multidisciplinary learning and advanced facilities and collaborations matched with my aspiration.
In each course, there were different research projects that we could be attached to. That's all mimicking our future working environment that will enhance our future career expertise.
When you start a master's degree in biomedical engineering, your classmates are from different bachelor degrees, mechanical, electronical, even physics, material science and engineering.
I was actually actively involved of lots of research projects.
And for that I worked in the labs. And from that, I learned how to use some facilities or machines that I don't get to use elsewhere, like laser cutting, laser welding, and those are things that, even though I don't use now, it sort of highlighted the sort of things that are done in industry. They offer a lot of professional development courses that are outside engineering, leadership, etc. that we can do online and within our own time, and I appreciate how, even though we're not a student anymore, they still provide those services to help us grow.
Which allowed me to collaborate with experts in my field that prepared me for academia.
There is activities in our Graduate School of Biomedical Engineering called PASS Path. It's like a platform. It can connect undergraduate student, postgraduate student, even a PhD student and the professors.
I met a lot of professionals in my field. Some of them helped me to find jobs, to improve my skills, and it's really helped me to grow and develop my career.
Chinese Student Association is called CSA. Also, it's a platform to connect all of these Chinese students in UNSW.
I've gone to talks with industry leaders about things that are happening in the biomed field, as well as things that's happening just in general. They are really trying to engage with alumni by holding programs, getting people from different industries together, especially in Australia where the industry is quite small. And so meeting these people, one, is interesting, but also can open opportunities elsewhere.
I joined different clubs. I joined Career & Co and met a lot of professionals in my field, which now I still in touch with them through LinkedIn. Some of them helped me to find jobs, to improve my skills, to get into some seminars, conference, and it really helped me. It really gave me that opportunity to grow and develop my career.
Most of the professors, they're very friendly and kindly, so they're very willing to let you into their lab or their project, and it may well provide us more job opportunities and research opportunities.
You can learn all the theory you want. If you don't build it, if you don't physically see it happening, if you don't apply it, you don't learn anything. And I think that's what they do the best here, is you're very hands-on and you learn through doing.
The Master of Engineering program provides a solid core to enable you to practice as a biomedical engineer, and it also enables you that flexibility to explore your interests.
And also you want to try some very cool things like the bionic eye, neural interface, and the nano electrode devices.
Our school has the ability to collaborate with other schools.
Within each course, we ensure that we have industry relevancy as well as access to clinical experiences.
To work with clinicians and to work at the hospital on real patients.
So it's a good choice to choose this program.
We look forward to welcoming you into our Master of Engineering in Biomedical Engineering soon.